You spend hours creating your coloring book, you design the page, create the cover, upload everything to Amazon KDP, and then nothing happened. The problem may be not your coloring book, the problem is that nobody know your book exists. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can take one coloring book and turn it into viral TikTok video that can help you to get more people to discover it without filming yourself or showing your face or manually editing. Let's get started. Just go to this AI tool. It's called TipForge. You find the link in the description and go to create. Here you click here and edit your page. You want to turn it into video. Upload your coloring page on here, and here you choose the templates. Here 5 templates. Choose one. Let's choose this. And here the details, you can edit the title for your book and the hook you want to show in the first second on the video. Here a lot of hooks, just choose one. And here you added a call to action for drive people to click on your link in bio and buy your books. And here, and let's camera style and open it. Here the page coloring, turn it into video. You don't need to record yourself or edit in your video. Just upload your coloring page on this AI tool and it's turn it into actually a viral TikTok video. You can upload it to Instagram, Facebook, Pinterest, and TikTok. Here my video is start. The video is start finish. You can upload it on your desktop and you can download it to your desktop and upload it on all social media accounts. If you want to try this AI tool, you find the link in the description, and see you the next one.